Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
Now let's look at applying and modifying styles. A style is a predefined combination of font style, color, and size that can be applied to any text in your document at the same time. So to apply a style on your document, select the text that you want to format or place your cursor at the beginning of the line. So I'll place mine over here. Then in the styles group on the home tab, click on the more icon, then choose the style that you want from over here. And if you hover over them, you will see the previews. So I'll select this one, then the text will appear in the desired style, just like that. Now you can also apply a style set. Now style sets include a combination of title, heading, and paragraph styles. So from the design tab, come to the design tab, then we have the document formatting group over here. Click the more drop down arrow, then choose from this. So let's say go for this one, and as you can see, it's been set, it's been applied to my entire document. Now you can also modify a style. So if we come to home, under home tab, let's say I selected this style, okay? Then I want to modify that style. Just right click on that style, then click on modify. Then from here, you can change the font size, the font type. So I can change it, the font type, I can change the font size, I can make it bold, I can make it italics, I can do whatever I want to do with it. I can change the font color. So like that, then I click OK. And as you can see, the changes will be made on my document like that. And you can also create a new style. So to create a new style, click the arrow in the bottom right corner of the styles group, then choose create a style. Now from here you can give it a name. So I'll just call it my style, then modify. Now from here you can choose the font that you want. You go with that, the font size, the font color, go with the greenish look. Then you click OK once you've made your changes, and as you can see, my changes have been made. Now the new style that I've created will be applied in your document, and the new style will also appear in the styles group. Here it is my style. If I open this up, you'll see my style, the style that I just created.